Hello, this is Abram, Magandang Umaga, and I just got my U.S. driver's license converted to a Philippine driver's license here in the Philippines. It took about 2 hours. It's really simple, and I'm going to walk through exactly how to do that. So, first of all, you have to go to a place that actually does the conversion, which is typically like the main offices. Like the one here in Quezon City is the one that I went to. You can go to, like whatever one. It doesn't really matter if you want it, but if you want to get it right away, just go straight here because this is where they print out the actual driver's licenses. So the things you need a current U.S. driver's license that's valid. You need your passport that shows you're going to be here for more than 120 days. The stamp is on your actual passport, like the visa stamp is on your passport that shows you're going to be here more than 120 days. The other thing is if you have a marriage license and you're married to a Filipina. If you're married to a Filipino or Filipino, then it is really easy to get it because you can get it the same day. They're allowed to release it right away. Now, what do you need to do to actually get it? So here's the process. You go in there, they'll give you the form that you need to fill out. You can print it out at home too, but I just went here and did everything. You go there, you fill out what you need to fill out. You go and get medical clearance, which is not really like clearance. You basically sit down and they say, are you healthy? You say yes, and you're out of there. But they'll take your picture. They get your height, weight, your current address here in the Philippines, and they just do it all for you. That was 500 Philippine pesos. All of the signs that you need to follow are all in English while you're here. So even if you don't get a fixer, it's totally fine. Like I could just walk in there, I just ask them, where do I go? And then the signs say like, here for information. So you go there for information. And the person with information tells you exactly where to go. They're like, oh, go to this medical center. Go to that medical center. They give me everything else. Now, how much did it cost? So the total cost of getting everything, so $785 for me to pay for it and then get it instantly. They don't mail it to you. They just get it right away. The total cost for everything, if you want to convert your current U.S. driver's license to a Philippine driver's license, is $1,285. Jen, if you converted that, what does it come out to in dollars? As of recording this, it's about $22. $22, and now you can legally drive in the Philippines. I can drive here until 2027. So yeah, it's really that easy. So if you're thinking about going to the Philippines, you don't need to hire a driver. You don't need to do anything. You have 3 months to actually complete this. Whole process was really simple. You don't have to pay for a fixer and then pay 10, 20,000 pesos for everything. It's literally like easy peasy. Now we are gonna head home. If you liked this video on how to get your driver's license converted from the US to the Philippines, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be making more videos about moving me, my wife, and my 3 kids to the Philippines and teaching you everything you need to know to be here and have a great time. Hope you like this, and thank you for watching.